Hey, it's Jody. Today I'm doing something a little different for me. I'm doing an unboxing. I just received a handkerchief from Gear Hanks. This is not sponsored. I paid for it. I ordered it and I got it. It's a treat for myself. These are everyday carry handkerchiefs, and I've already opened the envelope just to make it easy, but I haven't looked inside. So there's the envelope. And inside that envelope is another envelope. So what attracted me to these handkerchiefs, I don't remember how I came across them years ago, but I have been on their newsletter ever since. These are 9x9, and the pattern is the Mandalorian. The Mandalorian, I'm saying this with this odd, something fell out. Oh, it's a thank you card from Gear Hanks, that's the company. The Mandalorian has a special place in my heart. So I'll tell you about that in a second. But these are 9x9. Their claim to fame in my mind, Gear Hanks, is that there's a pattern on one side, and because they're handmade and made in small batches, sometimes they're only available once and then it's sold out. And so cotton on one side, microfiber, suede microfiber, I think it's called, cloth. This took my breath away. So again, I don't remember how I came across this company, but I did, and I got on their newsletter. And I always, when they have new drops, I always check it out. And at some point I saw this design and it was already sold out. And I was like, ugh. But for some reason, again, I've just been, on their newsletter. And they dropped a Star Wars handkerchief, not this one, but another one, Star Wars. And I clicked on it and I was like browsing through, like, gosh, I wish they still had that Mandalorian. This was like over a year ago, maybe 2 years ago when I first saw this. And they had them, and they had 3 available. And I was like, let me buy this. Okay, so what do you use it for? I'm going to use it to do stuff like clean my iPad. It's for devices, for gear. It is not a handkerchief that you're going to, like, their words, not mine, but blow your nose in because of this side. You can, it says wash in cold water. I would imagine hand wash and then lie flat. Oh, God, I love this. If I didn't say it, this isn't sponsored. I just thought, hey, I'm getting this treat. This is 100,000 times better than I thought it would be. All right, let me tell you about my love for Mandalorian. So I watched Mandalorian while someone I loved very much was very sick, and I was spending a lot of time in waiting rooms and waiting, and I would watch Mandalorian when I couldn't be with them and I had to like wait. And so it's funny. It's like I almost want to say bittersweet, but I know it's a television show, but it really helped me at a time when I was very happy to be of support to someone else. And it was, in a way, my support when I was alone and waiting and like watching this program on my phone. So this is dope. I'm going to be using this for a long time. Anyway, I will put the link to Gear Hanks in the description. I'll put their social media. I feel like they're on Instagram, and I'll put their website. Oh, this is delightful to me. This is delightful to me. They have all different types of patterns, like a bandana one, different. I don't know if they're collabs, but different things you might be interested in. I'm sorry if I'm being vague, but it just so happens that they must be on holiday or something. They're not going to be taking orders until after May 1st, so you can't even see what's available on their site right now. So I'm recording this before May 1st, but I'm gonna put this video up after May 1st so you can go in, peruse, and see everything that they have. I'm absolutely in love with this. This is a delight and a treat. So have you purchased anything lately? Any little thing or big thing that has made you happy and feel delighted and that you just want to share? For me, it's definitely Gear Hanks. Again, info will be in the description. If you got this far, I appreciate you. Thank you for watching. Take care.